Hi, I'm T. Cooper. I'm a New York City makeup artist, hairstylist, and co-founder of beauty and grooming company Metro Look. Today we're going to talk about do-it-yourself waves with hairspray. I love to do waves with hairspray, but a lot of times when I do waves with hairspray, I need a curling iron. It's possible to do it without a curling iron, it just takes a little bit longer. Curling iron is pretty much the fastest way that you can do this. So today I'm going to use a 1-inch, but if you want larger waves, you can use a bigger one, or if you want smaller waves, you can use a smaller one. It's all up to your personal preference. So of course we're going to need our trusty hairspray. This is my favorite one. And a comb. So we're going to just take out a section of hair, about 1 inch. Well, if it's 1, it's not inches, is it? I'm an idiot. It's 1 inch. And then we're going to spray it. As usual, I like to comb through the hair after I've done the hairspray, just so that I can distribute the product nice and evenly. I'm going to go in with my 1-inch curling iron, and I'm going to curl the hair away from the face. Now, of course, when you release it, it's going to be a curl, but when you loosen it up, either through finger combing or actually using a comb, then it becomes a wave. So you see this right here. This is a curl, but once you finger comb it, or you can even use a wide tooth comb, then look, it's become a wave. Nice, pretty wave. And I'm going to do one more here for you. So I'm going to take a 1-inch section. See, I said it right that time. Spray with my trusty hairspray. Distribute the product all the way through. Grab my 1-inch. And I'm going away from the face still. Just going to hold it there for a few seconds. Release it. It's a curl now, but it becomes a wave once you start to mess with it. There you go. So for waves all throughout your hair, all you would do would just be repeat that same process all throughout your head, and then you're done. I'm T. Cooper, and I just showed you how to do a do-it-yourself wave with hairspray. Thanks for watching.